What is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. In this video we review the latest Zenfone 7 Pro camera. It has a motorized stylish pop-up camera, so make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. So let's get started. By the way, this smartphone launched in this month September 1, and this smartphone has a triple camera, 64 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel telephoto with a 3x optical zoom, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and this smartphone can record 8K video at 30 fps and 4K video at 120 fps. One of the great smartphone, and also it's the motorized flip up main camera module. And by the way, all picture we use in this video I taken from several source and website and Instagram, so credit goes to the original creator. Make sure to watch this full video, comment your opinion in the comment section, and enjoy the video.